Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 3-bedroom detached property with a garage. This is Ashbourne from Countryside Properties. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. Now this is located at Warrington near Manchester. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions towards your living, kitchen, dining and first floor. So let's explore the living room which is coming towards the front. Very bright and spacious living room. You're getting 2 bay windows on both the sides. Even after having so much of furniture, there's plenty of room space to walk around. I like the way they planned the sofas and the TV set. There's distance between them and the room also looks big. Overall, a nice living room with really good space and light. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. Again, it's a wide and nice kitchen for a 3-bedroom property. The most interesting part of these countryside properties are their skylight windows which they give in their kitchens. That adds additional beauty to the kitchen and the living space, and you get the additional light falling from the top. Apart from that, you have the worktop spread out on 2 different sides with various cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. You're getting this double oven and integrated fridge freezer towards the side. So towards the other end of the kitchen you can plan a nice dining table like this. You'll be getting a wide French door access towards the garden behind. Apart from the French doors, they also gave 2 single windows. And of course you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. Now within the kitchen towards one side they also gave space for the utility. They have planned the washing machine in the space here. Now let's check out the washroom in the ground floor which is coming towards the front. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side in the front. Well, it's a regular washroom which comes in the ground floor. You have the water closet, sink and there's also a window provided. So we covered the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So first exploring the master bedroom of the house. Well, it's a double bedroom. You can plan a king size bed like this and you get a really good space to walk around. You're getting a wide window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falls in this bedroom. You can plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom. Now let's check out the ensuite. So this is coming towards the front here. And the good thing is it's not facing the bed. The space in the bathroom looks quite okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet sink, and a nice window. So this was the master bedroom. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. They also gave a nice wide window in the landing. So towards the opposite side, you're getting your second bedroom of the house. It's again a double bedroom. And the good thing about this bedroom is you're getting two nice windows on both the sides. So plenty of natural light falls in this bedroom. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. This is slightly smaller than the master bedroom, but it's bigger than a single room. And just beside the second bedroom, you're getting your third bedroom of the house. It's again a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed or even a king size bed like this, and there's really good space to walk around. You're getting a wide window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falls in the bedroom. You can also plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom. All the three are double bedrooms. Now let's check out the family bathroom which is coming beside it. So this is the family bathroom. You're getting the bathtub, water closet sink, and they've also given a window. Now just as you come out of the bathroom, you also have some additional storage space towards your left side. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall a decent property with good style and comfort. And as I mentioned in the beginning, there's a garage which is coming towards the front. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.